Howdy ho, guys and gals. I'm Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old den of tools. And today we got some deals for you over at the old Amazons. No video today because we got to move quick on this one because I'll be honest, these deals will go fast. If you click on this video and you click on the link and the deals aren't there, I don't know what to tell you. It just means that somebody got there faster than you because they don't just leave them up forever. That's the way the Amazon algorithm works. First off, we got a whole bunch of skill deals. These are the Skill 12 volt. If you know, if you've been following the channel, I'm a huge fan bear of the Skill 12 volt. All the stuff in the Skill 12 volt is brushless. It's all extremely well made. It's definitely in that prosumer category. And this is the set that got me into it myself, that I bought myself. And look at this. It's back down to the buy it now price, $69.99. Buy it now. That is better than the buy it now price. That is the I can't believe it's this low price. Typically, this set will run you around $100. It's been as high as $129. Now, throughout the past year, it has dropped as low as just under $80 twice. And at one time, about a year ago, almost exactly a year ago, believe it or not, this is what happened. And they did it again, like, clockwork. If you are looking to get into a 12 volt line, you just cannot beat the Skill 12 volt system. It is a fantastic system. Now, this one, I will say, I do not believe that a lot of these, the batteries have the USB on it. And I don't think this has USB. Let me just check to make sure here that this does or does not have the USB on it. It didn't say anything about it. They're saying here some comments about, no, it doesn't have the USB. So some of the batteries in the 12 volt line have USB adapters in them. I don't believe this is that one, but still at $70 for a drill driver and an impact driver, both brushless in 12 volt, you can't go wrong with this system. I'm going to tell you, if you're a home gamer or even a prosumer, if you're in the trades like, say, HVAC or electrician, where you don't need the super high-end, powerful tools, you want something more compact, get in tight spaces, get the work done, that'll be great. In fact, the ring light on this impact is super bright. All right, we got more for you. Say you don't want the impact. We got the Skill two-tool combo kit. I'm getting a little excited here. Also at $69. And this is going to give you the jump drive with it. And I believe when you get the jump drive, you do get the USB batteries on it. Not exactly sure. You'll have to read through the description on this. I'm moving kind of fast just because these deals go that fast. So what you're looking at here is you got the same drill driver from the last deal, and you're getting the one-handed recip instead of the impact on that. Now we also have another option where you get the same drill driver and you get the multi-tool. Brushless, again, remember all the 12 volt tools are brushless. You're getting the 12 volt and you're not getting the jump drive, which means, again, I don't think you're going to get the USBs on these. Again, read the full description before you order. $69 on this one. But you're like, well, what if I want to get that, but I also want to get the impact driver? What kind of deal can you work for me there, Bear? Well, how about this? I can get you the impact driver alone for $45. Not quite alone. That's coming with the 2 amp hour battery and a standard charger. So say, you're like, I want this kit, but I also want one of the other tools. Well, you can get this kit, $69, throw that impact driver. You're at $105 for 3 12 volt brushless tools with 2 batteries and 2 chargers. That's a screaming deal. All right. We saw a deal like this over at, I think it was Lowe's, where we saw like, hey, if you shift these things around there, that is a great deal. And you have to go check out the deals of the week video from yesterday to see if maybe you can get your paws on that deal as well, or instead. But we do have this one. Also, if you just need the drill driver itself, $39. Where else can you buy a 12 volt brushless with a charger with a battery for $40? That is a ridiculous deal on this. If you're looking for a gift for somebody who's looking to get a little bit of handy, someone's doing a little bit of DIY, maybe a youngster in your life, maybe somebody moving into their first apartment or first house, kind of stuff, want to get them started, this is a great line to get started with. $40 for that. What a great, under the tree kind of present. Speaking of which, for $10 more, for $69, actually, is it $10 more? 30, a little more than $10 more, but for $79, we've got the brushless 12 volt hammer drill with charger, with battery. That is fantastic. Hammer drill, brushless hammer drill in 12 volt for $79 with the full kit. All right, how about this? We got the 2-tool kit with the Bluetooth speaker, with the flashlight and the charger, 2 batteries, $99. $99 on that. That is a fantastic offering. Again, you throw that impact on there. Now you've got yourself the drill, the impact, that for what, $150, less than $150. All right, now jumping up to the 20-volt line. The 20-volt line is a fantastic line. Now, this is the brush, not the brushless, okay? So what you're looking at here is you're looking at the 20-volt, the 6.5-inch circ saw here, coming with a 5 amp hour battery and charger for $90. How much do most 5 amp hour batteries cost? You're talking a minimum of $60 in most brands, all the way up to $100 for a lot of brands. You want a DeWalt, you want a Milwaukee, you want any of the name brands, you're going to be paying like $100 for just a single battery when it's not on sale. At this, you're getting the 5 amp hour battery plus the saw for $90. How about this deal? We're going to get you, this is again the 20-volt line. We're going to get you the brushless 20-volt hex impact, as well as the 20-volt drill driver. This is going to be your prosumer grade big tools here. You're going to get the battery with it. You're going to get the charger. All of that for $146. Look at it. This is not just some stupid little impact. This has got settings on it. You got all the smart features on that as well. These are fantastic prosumer grade tools. You got the batteries that use the USB port there, so you can use them as a power brick like I've been telling you about. Also on the charger as well, it's got the smart jump feature there, so you press a button and it will get you that extra juice in like 5 minutes so you can finish the job. It's not going to take you to 100% in 5 minutes. It's going to take you to like 60 or 70, I think, percent. But the fact of the matter is that if you get towards the end of a job, you're running out of juice, you throw it on there, press the button, and you're back at work. There's only like 1 left on this. You're going to have to jump on these fast. But you're thinking to yourself, Bear, that's a great deal, $146, but can you save me a few more bucks? What if I told you had to make a little bit of compromise and I could save you $10 on this deal? What if I told you had to step down to the hammer drill? Yes, I kid you not. We got the cordless hammer drill with that same impact, with the same battery and the charger, and it's $10 less, $139. Why is a hammer drill kit less? This thing should be a $200 kit all day long, even on sale, and it's $139. This is easily as hot as that $69 deal in the 12-volt. If you're looking to get in a 20-volt lineup, that's one big way to do it. All right, and while we're here, if you want to add a multi-tool to that, it's not the brushless multi-tool, but for $69, you're getting the sanding pads, you're getting all the attachments, you're getting the battery and the charger for a cordless multi-tool at $69. That's a pretty good deal. Now, getting out of the skill stuff, I know I get excited about the skill stuff, but we got some other Christmas gift ideas for you over at Amazon. They're blowing things out. If you guys don't know, their AWS servers are down today, but at least their deal servers are up and running. So we got here the Gerber Gear Suspension NXT needle nose pliers multi-tool with pocket clip in steel for, do they have one in aluminum? Really? Why do they put steel in there? Anyway, $22.99. That's 34% off for the Gerber. Now this is a great gift one. All right. I got to admit, I got a bad case of the dropsies from time to time, and trying to find little parts and stuff that roll around and whatnot. Why not? And this is a brilliant idea. Why not have a pickup magnet with a light on it? That's what that is. A pickup magnet with a light. Then you also have the reflective, the right angle light there with the lights built into it. Your dental, mirror kind of thing. These are great pickup tools. The whole set there. You're getting all 5 set in the set here for $17. That's 19% off. Moving along, this is the tool right here on sale, 22% off, that you don't want to buy anyone if you still want them to like you in the future. These things are ridiculous. Who's going to use a hammer that's the same size as your hand? I know they're not showing this. It's 6.8 inches. Someone gave my son one of these. I looked at this and I'm like, this is ridiculous. Who's going to use this thing? Nobody wants this thing. I'm going to fix my guitar. Well, if this is what you use to fix your guitar, A, you probably shouldn't have a guitar. B, you probably shouldn't have tools. All right, avoid this tool. I throw this in all the time because this is around this time of year, people keep buying these as gifts. Unless you really don't like the person you're giving it to, don't buy them this gift. All right, moving along. This is going to seem as a big joke. You'll hear a lot of tool guys say, these things are junk, don't buy them, blah, blah, blah. This is your emergency tool kit all in one. Now, I'm not going to say you're going to throw this in your truck and it's going to be the only socket you need, but there's a lot of weird stuff you run into. As I see, hex, cap, eye sockets, hook sockets, nut, square, all sorts of stuff. This will work. Now, if you throw an impact on it, it'll tear it apart and all that. It might work once, but at least it will work once. This is your get out of jail free card for $11. I always have one of these in my toolbox and everywhere I go because you never know. There's always that one thing where I wish I had this one socket or tool with me, and this is the thing that ultimately ends up working. So I always keep one of these with me. All right, moving along, we've got, speaking of toolboxes to carry with you, this is the slightly smaller version than the one I bought a couple months ago. This is actually by the Crescent brand. And look at this. You get a great array of sockets. You get a great array of wrenches. You got some side snips there. You got some needle nose. You got an adjustable pliers, a bunch of screwdrivers, a bunch of bits, a bunch of Allen keys, and you got some socket wrenches to go with it. $90.90. This is the perfect thing, especially if you got a truck. You take this, you throw it behind the back seat in your truck, and this is your safety net. You always got it with you in case you need some tools while you're on the road. Speaking of safety nets, come on, we've all run into damaged screws, and you need to get them out. This is one thing, $17. You throw this in your toolbox, in the shop or wherever you are, and when you hit that one, you don't you don't want to see this. Now, fractured bolt, damaged threads like that can take a 30-minute job and turn it into a 3-day job if you're not careful. And having a nice little extractor set like this is gonna save the day. It's like $17 in, fractured stripped bolt insurance. You need it. $17. Might as well have it. Great. And again, another Christmas gift. Might be, this is one of those things that a lot of people won't buy for themselves. They know they need it, but they want to buy other stuff first. This is a great Christmas gift for the handy person in your life. All right. We got another multi-tool. This is the I don't know how they pronounce it. Cranch. Anyway, if you got somebody in your life who just needs something fun, a little bit interesting here, we've got the stocking stuffer multi-tool for $16.99. All right. How about this? They obviously are trying to emulate CRKT, and I'm not sure how well they do it, but it's a pretty good looking knife there. I like the shape of the blade on it. I'm not a huge fan of the carbon fiber look, but maybe you do. Nice little Christmas present. It's $45. It's 10% off, and you get another $10 off when you clip the coupon. That's a nice deal. And speaking of deals, how about this? I just got this for a buddy of mine. I hope he's not listening. Knife sharpening stone. He's always nicking his blades. He's always using them for something he shouldn't. So I finally, and he's always looking around for a whetstone, and he never has one. So I'm like, we're going to solve that problem this year. We got him the knife sharpening stone kit here. You're getting, 4 different stones with that. You get the strap, the guide, the base block, all that kind of stuff for $37.37. $37.37 on that. Gear wrench. Now, this is an interesting deal because I know a lot of you are going to like, hey, it's cheaper elsewhere. And it is. I'm just going to say this. I think Ace has this, or at least had it for $50. A few other places had it for $50. But people are running out of stock and they're finding it hard to get. We're getting closer to Christmas. And if you already got your Amazon account set up, I'm not here to judge. I've done it to spend a few bucks more. $55. It's still a killer deal. 20-piece metric ratcheting set here. SAEN metric, ratcheting wrench set here. I have this very set here, and it's a great set. It's definitely in that prosumer value pro kind of range at $55 there. All right, next up, we get the Sata 19-in-1 multi-purpose ratcheting screwdriver set with 8 double-sided bits and a green and yellow oil-resistant handle. 19-piece here. I've said before, Sata, one of the most underrated brands out there. This is the baby brother to Gear Wrench. It's in that prosumer market there. These are actually pretty decent tools. Nice little screwdriver there for $16.93. We got a few more. This one I just had to include for fun because it is a Spec Ops Crowbar. Who doesn't want a Spec Ops Crowbar? If you're looking to gift for the mall ninja in your life, he wants a Spec Ops Crowbar. $11.59. All right, Pliers. You've heard of Pliers. Well, this is the other brand, same company, exact same company. Now, I will say this, you're going to have a hard time getting these warranted because they're really designed for sale in the Japanese market. But somebody is importing them here to the U.S. As you can see, it says made in Japan. These are an excellent quality, set of pliers here. These are clearly made for doing screw extraction and that kind of stuff. That's what they're designed for. They're on sale 20% off, down to $23.29. Now we got back to more gear wrench here. We got the 20-piece. This is a great set here. Phillips and slotted and Torx dual material screwdriver set. So you got the handles there. They got the nice little hex right at the base of the handle, so you can throw a plier or a wrench on there, get some extra torque on some of these. Great set there for $62. All right, speaking of tool sets, you know the bear is a huge fan of Wera. We've talked about this set before. This is the micro set, 12-piece set for electronics applications and stuff. Well, you can use it for whatever you want. You can do your glasses with it if you like. This is a fantastic set in a nice case there. Makes a great gift for Christmas. On sale, 36% off, down to $40. Est-wing, east-wing, I don't care what you call it, but you know you need to have one. 4-pound sledge, forged steel construction, shock reduction grip. I'm a huge fan bear of Est-wing. I have never picked up anything they've made and not liked it or appreciated it. 7% off, which for them is a great deal, taking it down to $38.97. We got 3 more items for you. We got the Kazumon 9-piece extensions, my bad. You got the 1/4 inch, the 3/8, and the 1/2 inch in each one. So you get all 3 in all the different socket sizes. There you go. Comes with a nice case. Again, a nice little Christmas present for the DIYer in your life, or even the value conscious, professional. These are decent tools. All right. People have been asking me for some deals on chisels. I'm sorry, there are no deals on really good chisels. There just really aren't. But for like a starter kit, just getting started, this is not a fantastic kit. This is not going to be your lifelong woodworking kit. But for somebody who's looking to get started, just needs to have some chisels around the shop, $25 to get yourself a 6-piece with a stone, with a case, with the guide. That's not a bad deal to pick up. And last but not least, we've got this. If you really want to confuse the DIYer in your life, buy him one of these. I'll tell you what, we picked up an old house and we found a couple of these inside, the Crescent 19-inch nail pullers. And you know what? Just give it to somebody in your life and let them try and figure out how to use it, because it is an interesting thing. Yep, these are nail pullers. That is specifically designed for what they're designed for. But boy, trying to figure out how to make one work, that will be a chore. They're going to be on YouTube for hours trying to figure out how to do this right. If you want to have somebody have just hours and hours of fun, having fun trying to figure out how to use something, this is the tool for them. Anyway, that's the deals we got for you. Again, I got to tell you, we got some fantastic skill deals. This one, I can't say enough how much I like the Skill 12-volt tools, and I know you will as well. Anyway, again, if you click on the link and the deals are gone, I don't know what to tell you. That's the way the Amazon algorithm works. It only allows the deals for so many people. Once they decide that this is a hot item, they start raising the price. So don't think on it too long. Anyway, that's all the bear has for you today. Don't forget to chomp the old like button, smash that subscribe, ring the bell on the way out. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.